What's your favorite part about being in Biplane Fuckup?
The volume, the frequencies, the no limits. We don't give a fuck if you hear us kind of thing we do. Anyone else?
For me, it's the money.
The fame, the fortune.
Yeah. But really, it's having a place to. I really value improvisation, and I'm glad I have it. Oh, don't smile.
You have to cut that.
Let's
I'll be
Thanks for ruining our interview, you dick. Oh wait, no. I went to the Untitled Noise Night Biplane Fuckup show. I went to both them actually, and I think my favorite part was when we were in the CMFT building, and with the ropes. I thought that was a lot of fun.
The show in the CMFT building, the entire show was just amazing. That was super fun.
There was a really big rope, and it was really cool.
I ripped my pants there actually, from the knee to the butt, and it was just so much fun because the mosh pit was crazy, and it was just, I still have those pants as like a memorial. It was that fun.
I mean, I've seen them a few times now. I would say I'm a fan. I just like people being on the floor and screaming and getting crazy.
It was pretty much the first noise show I went to. It expanded my horizons. I like their attitude, their energy, and the experience.
And Bear was just letting everyone like scream fucking right. It was the age of passing around the mic. I love everyone in Biplane Fuckup. When they buried the singer alive. That was my favorite moment.
The whole dirt thing. I am dirt. Love that one.
With the dirt, when they did the dirt?
Yeah, lying in the dirt.
Also, the sounds were really interesting for that one too.
Okay, so one, yes, lying in the dirt. Two, when I lived with Giacomo and he would walk on foot between White Plains and Purchase multiple times a week in order to practice with biplane and in order to do what biplane originally was, I guess. And then also the times in my freshman year when he would just be like, biplane's practicing, like, do you want to come? And I would just like hit things with sticks.
Who is your favorite? What's your favorite thing about Biplane Fuckup?
Nothing.
Who's your favorite member of Biplane Fuckup?
Nobody.
Our literature is just like mocking band culture and band promotion and the kind of dues you have to pay in the gigging scenes wherever you go, and just like
no, the point is like art is over. It's done. Just don't make any more. Just make absolute bullshit.
What was the point of Biplane Fuckup?
drugs. What? The point? Alright, the point of Biplane Fuckup, I think of... Hi. Hello. This is experimental art. The point of
honestly.
That's, yeah.